Welcome to part 4 of this CODM tutorial. In this video we will add some cobblers to our organ. To do that we have to go to the cobbler table in our CODM file and set up a cobbler there. Once we've done that, we don't have to make a stop for it. The CODM automatically makes a stop for it on the standard controls page. We start with making a standard cobbler for manual 1 to the pedal. We go to the cobbler table in our CODM file and edit one of the existing cobblers. The first thing we see is the cobbler code. The cobbler code defines the function of the cobbler. Let's look in the database table to find out what code we should use for manual 1 to pedal. And here is a list of the cobbler codes. As you can see, there are codes for most types of cobblers, sub-octave cobblers, super octave cobblers, and bass cobblers, melody cobblers. But we want to find the manual 1 to pedal cobbler, and that should be this one, manual 1 to pedal 8 foot, and that has code 1006. So we'll fill in 1006 here. The name is for your own reference. 1, 2, 3. Now there's a row of elements for custom display, which we will cover in a later video. The display name is the name displayed on the standard controls page. So that one we need like this. These elements can keep the default value, they are quite self-explainable. And we will leave the rest of the cobbler table as it is. They are for special effect cobblers and custom cobblers. Now let's save and open in Hauptwerk. And here we can see our cobbler shows up here under the pedal. Let's see if it works. And there we have our first cobbler. Now let's make an octave cobbler for manual 2 to manual 1. The cobbler code, well, let's find the right code here again in our list. Manual 2 to manual 1, 4 feet, that's the one we want, the octave cobbler. That's 1112. And back in our document we write 1112. We give it a right name. Super cobbler. And also here the right name. Now let's save and check in Hauptwerk again. And here's our octave cobbler, super 2 to 1. Let's check it out. And it works as it should. As we can see, the highest octave has no sound because the rank has not been extended up to this. If you want that, you can just extend the rank in the rank table, like this one, and we just change the number of pipes to 61 plus 12 is 73. Now we can add the other cobblers in the same way. And here we can see all our cobblers in place.